Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to learn about trends of taxonomy. Before starting the video, I would like to show you the slides. These are the slides which we are going to learn in this video. So without further delay, let's jump into the slide and study. Trends of taxonomy. Introduction to modern trends in relation to taxonomy. Modern taxonomists consider that the gross morphological characters are not always sufficient to provide means of differentiation in determining the genetically and evolutionary relationship between taxa. To achieve the taxonomical evidences from anatomy, embryology, paleology, cytology, paleobotany, ecology, biochemistry, etc. as discussed. Bailey in 1949 had said that if a truly natural classification is to be attained, it must be based upon the analysis and the harmonization of evidences from all organs, tissues and parts. Morphological trends in relation to taxonomy. Gross morphology has no doubt provided the foundation and framework for taxonomy, but it has become increasingly clear that contribution to the systematic may come from almost any branch of biology. The modern taxonomist has therefore to have a broader outlook than his predecessors a few years ago. Morphology is the study of structure and forms of plants, usually dealing with the organism, its component organs. Morphology has been the most widely used tool in the classification of higher plants from a very long time. Morphological features have been so extensively studied by botanists and taxonomists in various classes of plants that it might be said that there is little left to learn. According to the modern concepts, however, it is not correct. Practically all the herbaria systems of classification, botanical manually, are based on comparative morphology and anatomy. Morphological characters are traditionally useful as evidence at all taxonomic levels, but particularly at the specific and genetic ranks, morphological evidences provides the basis language for plant characterization, identification, classification and relationship. Generally, morphological data are easily observable and obtainable and thus most frequently used in taxonomic studies. Ecological trend in relation to taxonomy. The ecological criteria are of comparatively little direct importance in taxonomy, though ecological criteria in the interspecific level cannot be neglected. In flowering plants, tolerance and plasticity are widespread. The tolerance of plant population is determined by its ability to survive and reproduce upon exposure to a range of environmental factors. The tolerance is great when the range is wider. On the other hand, plasticity is ascertained by the degree to which the appearance of plants vary in moving from one set of factors to the other. Ecotype. Ecological studies can help in determining the taxonomic status of a species. On the basis of developmental morphology, culture experiments, and other analytical data, the two species of Lindenhergia, L. polygantha and L. utricafolia have been demonstrated to the ecotypes of the same species, the former being an calycoleous or miniature form, the latter. Euphorbia thymifolia exhibits ecotype differentiation in response to calcium content of the soil. The red ecotype is facultative calcicole and the green one an obligate calcifuse. Thank you guys for watching the video.